Yo, coming out the 405. If you were the cold wind as it blows, you know that my flows are froze. You shows and rows, Mr. Mad Money, Mr. Fast and Hungry, Mr. Get the Cash. I am plundering, I hear you stuttering the wrong words, like you're uttering the songs are blurred, but my mind's long and pure. Mother, please see, I'm out counting change, like I'm out for change, like this a rap to gain. I will shout to gain, I will never snooze, never fall asleep, I will never lose. As I'm crawling and I creep, as I'm balling, you are weak. As I stand tall and sleek, you are falling just a blink.
Man, it's a big winch up on the microphone, getting blown, or you know the song. Wrecking shows, wrecking flows, wrecking mics, keep it going hype. No time to recite, freestyle flows all night until the day I die. No more wondering why we stay so fly like a jumbo jet. Better yet, a vet, supercharging my whistle like a missile. Heat sick in your boat, we ain't no joke, we provoke. Loud and clear with my clan, got the upper hand to leave you in demand. While we steadily gonna stand tall, never fall. And the ball, we come on past, looking last, smashing on the gas, sticking out really fast from the shock and blast. Never last, be too quick for you and your crew. Boom, boom, ever since I was born, struggling to survive, always stay alive. We never gonna hide, just gonna ride. Feels like we glide, we'll make you know our name. While reaching for the fortune and fame, with plans to reign supreme. Got too many dreams to fall, victims to this scheme. It seems you'll never make it, but that's when you grab the mic and straight break it. Never gonna fake it, giving it all I got. We ain't gonna stop till we hit the top. We're steadily gonna wreck shop. Giving it all I got and we ain't gonna stop. Giving it all I got and we ain't gonna stop. Giving it all I got, giving it all I got, giving it all I got, and we ain't gonna stop till we hit the top. We're steadily gonna wreck shop, wreck shop. Fucking wrecking flows, never know when it's your time to go. So I stay up, I'm motherfucking tip the toes. Yeah, fuck my damn foes. I got the damn shot, I'm feeling so right. Yeah, about to act now, it got me crazy. Yeah, time's going, so I stay up, boy, you know I be flowing. Rolling like Niagara Falls, give me the pop, the XO. Yeah, feeling good, wanna get up out my drawers. Fuck all of y'all, like fucking damn popos. I'ma get crunk, don't you know I love the go-go. I love the flow, yo, get hype for, never gonna quit, yeah, snipes like a sniper. I'm gonna get it high, pay the piper, cause I'm sounding good and you know I don't write and sometimes I do, so fuck you and fuck you. Yeah, I'm gonna get drunk, yeah, thought you asked you. Let me sip on some damn rum. Gonna act a fool, boy, you know I leave you done like a motherfucking filet mignon on the grill. I feed you to the sharks, not how you feel. I got the skill for reals to knock you out. Yeah, never gonna stop, boy, you know we out of this motherfucking world. I'm feeling insane, never gonna quit. Mary Jane in my brain, I can't complain, man, I'm trying to stay focused. Fuck y'all haters, boy, you know I done had it. I'm gonna trade toke it, living like a crazy maniac, making paper stacks, bitch, and that's a fact, Jack. We never coming whack, yeah, coming hella raw, like we been in that pussy like all night, y'all. Fuck you and fuck you, what it do? Like I said before, you know we staying true to this game. Can't complain, I try to stay maintained. Fuck your haters, yeah, shoot the fucking in your brain. Backyard, bitch.